Good morning. We are in Gainesville. Last day of sick week. See, we're still at the hotel. Ended up not going to KSR Performance last night. Didn't see any posts or anything, so we didn't go. We thought they canceled since Kevin blew his motor up. Anyways, we're gonna grab some breakfast here inside the hotel, head to the strip, bring you with us.
I think I've decided that this is the fun meter for Mr. Jones. When he goes to bouncing and jumping, it's because he's so dadgum excited. Fun meter.
That number's hit 120.
That's what that is. It's the fun meter. He's excited. Let's go.
Almost to the racetrack. We just stopped here, Circle K, to get some gas. Everybody's turning in. You got one of the all-wheel drive F-150s here. Intercooler. We're almost there. Here's the route on David's phone. 892 miles down, 2.5 to go to get to Gainesville. And that's just on the route, not including the other stuff that we've done. Is this it?
No, man.
Back to Gainesville where we started.
Next one. Bam. Look at that. Distance left, nothing. We made it.
Have a great day.
Bunch of fast race cars right there that have all traveled about 1,000 miles. Pretty cool. We've had a heck of a week. Like, you know, we've talked about it. Like, we're not even racing, and we've had a heck of a week. These dudes, they're the real heroes, man. Doing all this and racing, fixing things along the way. Dude, this is such a cool trip. Everybody needs to try it.
It's awesome. I was sick the first 3 days, but now, like day 3, 4, man, it's been awesome ever since. Made it to the sick ward area and got the car parked. Got here early enough we were actually able to get a good spot. I went to the restroom, and when I came back, there's a gentleman here with David, and they were holding this.
Well, here, come on this side. So that you got to get it in the sunlight, man. Look at that.
This guy takes pictures and frames them, obviously, but this was us leaving Orlando yesterday. So that is awesome. I went ahead and purchased it, and it was 45 bucks as is. So bought that, frame, or take it home, put it up. That's pretty awesome though.
Pretty cool.
Heck yeah.
At the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
Made our way over to the pits where the faster cars are. Finnegan's out, something happened to his motor, and then Soccer Mom's out, you saw that yesterday. Also, the Mustang that was in number 1, he's out. He caught fire from his drive shaft. I think the front yoke broke on the drive shaft and it rubbed the floor, causing a fire. This fella here, he's thrashing, trying to get ready for a run. A couple people have their stuff ready, others are hard at work. It's just crazy how hard these guys are willing to work on these cars for like no money. This is bragging rights stuff. It's awesome, man. Steve Morris over here working on his wife's vehicle. It's a big block, of course. Her name's Val. Been trying to get it in the 6s all week. Hadn't been able to do it. Maybe today's the day. the stands for a little C-Class action. We've been mainly watching A-Class. Decided to come up here and see what else is running. It is the last day. Audi goes 1063, F-150 11.0. Hey, so as you can see, the Ratson behind me. On the Facebook group, the guys that own the Ratson were asking for a manual boost control. I have one on my car, came over here, talked to them. They're gonna make a run as is right now. I'm gonna get the boost controller off of my car. They're gonna put it on the Ratson, they're gonna do a full send. So let's get involved in this situation here. Down here to the lanes real quick, see what's out here. About to head up to the stands. Ratson's back there. Like I said, we're gonna try to get him turbo controller off of my car. They're gonna add more boost to it. Last day, they said they're gonna send it. Nissan GTR. First good pass, 823, that's doing it.
Yeah. Hopefully that pop wasn't too bad.
No, and that's the 2JZ powered Honda Civic 2 chassis car.
Yep.
Ratson pulling in. The staging lights. Let's see what he does.
He wasn't sure about the clutch. Gary looked like he was just blowing.
All right, so I'm gonna pull off a little manual turbo boost controller here. We're gonna pass it on to the Ratson. Let them use it. Take a few seconds to get this fella off.
Quickest average 8-mile class.
Almost loaded the whole way on the driver side, but passenger side is...
Looking for one of those?
Oh my God.
Still gonna need it or no?
Yeah. We're gonna let the clutch cool down. I think it was hot from the drive over here.
What?
It slipped.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna make another one, make sure it doesn't slip.
What's on it?
Let
Okay.
it cool down again, and then put that on.
Okay. I got you.
And then see how far it grids this thing.
All of them. Gonna put it on the Ratson.
No, we'll just chop that one. Put it in line. This is plenty long enough. Yeah, this is plenty long enough. We'll just chop
Is
it.
it the same size?
Probably not. We'll put a zip tie on it.
Oh yeah.
It'll work.
I said, I've got push weight stuff if you want to switch to push weight.
You got any more of them ice cream sandwiches, man?
That'll work too, because that's a 10BT.
All right, he said he's gonna make another pass and then put the turbo controller on afterwards.
Hey, look at that. This is too good. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I might really blow up if we put that on there. Come on. She's a little
Sloppy.
she's a little floppy. She's a little blowed out. This you can heat it up a little bit and it'll go on there. Oh yeah, you get it a little hot, she'll jam on there. So we'll swap it for this when we go to do this. Yeah, we'll swap it out for that when we get to putting this on there.
Oh yeah.
We'll definitely swap.
Too bad I didn't bring all the little fittings for it. Who knew?
Yeah, right. No, this will work fine. We'll swap it for that. I think you can stab that inside of here.
That's what I was thinking. Make it a layer.
Yep.
Just put a sleeve over that.
And clamp it. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yep. That's
Just
it.
basically make a sleeve for it.
Yep. So that's how we'll do this side. We'll jam that line in there, and then heat it up, put it on there, and then put the other one on there, and then put a push lock fitting there. Tits. We got it.
What about some shrink tube? Y'all have any electrical shrink tube? You could just put over the nipple right there, shrink it on there, and then that'll act
would work too.
as a feeler gauge or
That would work too.
a spacer.
That would work too. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a way.
There's absolutely a way. I got a plan. I got a plan now. We know we can make it work. We know we don't need to go get anything. We're ready to go. That way, if it makes a good pass, we can pull it right back in, get it swapped over.
Yep.
And
Easy peasy.
make another one. See if we can go fast. 9.
9 second Ratson.
The car will do it.
All right, well, they're gonna give that a try. I think in 2 runs or so. Went ahead and just left it with them. I'm gonna be getting out of here before too long to head back to Tallahassee and then Panama City. But just kind of keep an eye out on the Ratson, on any other videos that might be faster than a 1091 or 1092, I think was their PB yesterday. So they're letting the clutch cool down. I'm trying not to get hit by scooters. They're gonna let the clutch cool down, make another pass, and then they said the pass after that, if they have time, if they're still running, they're gonna let them, or they're gonna put the controller on there and then run it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on some other videos and see if I can find where it's running faster than about a 1092 or so. 1 o'clock. I have a 3-hour drive to Tallahassee to drop David off. And then I have another 2 hours to Panama City. So we're gonna call it a day. We have seen quite a bit. It's time to hit the highway. Ratson, make it rip for us. So we're out of here.
Remember this morning, his speedometer was all excited to go to the racetrack. Now he knows we're going home. Calm and still. Oh, sad. Sad speeding. We're back. Made it to Leon County, almost to David's house. Did you tell him about that crazy thing that happened with your car? Nothing happened. Everything's good. That's the crazy part.
22,523. Started out with 21,000. See, 077, I believe. Anyway, made it to David's house. It's now 4:23. Getting him unloaded. I got a couple things to get loaded from his house, and then headed to Panama City. So got another 2 hours ahead of me, and hopefully make it before dark.
Let's go.
What you think about the trip, dude?
Man, we've done it twice now. And both times, It's a freaking riot.
It is awesome.
Just a good time.
Y'all might give us a hard time for not racing, but let me tell you, do the sick ward, you'll still have fun. We have a great time.
And I'm not saying don't go racing, because obviously we enjoy having racing to watch, but just doing the sick ward, just cruising, just having a good time, spending time with your buddies, watching race cars, driving old cars, like good times.
Yeah,
and
and
fixing
just
problems along the way, right?
yeah, we fixed a couple little small things. Headlight went out one day, and then oil leak one day. So just little things like that fixed along the way. Nothing crazy. We had a great trip. The Valiant is a trooper. I mean, it's gonna be like 1,500 miles when I get back home, total for 7 days. So that is sick. Get an oil change done when I get home as well. Freshen him up. He had one before we left, but do another one when I get back. And we're gonna plan on doing another one. And if David will let me, we'll show you what we're gonna try to take next year.
Uh-oh.
All right, so
I don't have the keys, so we can't get
yeah, so the original plan was to take David's 68 Camaro, which he purchased back in May. And he's already put rims and tires on it. It's a 350 Vortec Turbo 350 trans?
Yeah, turbo 350
Okay.
trans. It's a conventional 350 small block, but it does have the Vortec heads on it.
Oh, okay, okay, Vortec heads.
Yeah, so it's just a driver. It's not a perfect car, but it's a good car.
Yeah, it's a good driver, not show car type deal. And about a month before sick week, he had a little incident, so that's why we reverted back to the Valiant. We thought about maybe just taking our daily drivers, and then because the Valiant's been sitting, thought about taking our daily drivers, and just decided at the last minute, let's just go ahead and take the Valiant. We'll fix what we need to. We'll make it happen. So that's what you guys saw. Whole bunch of miles on the Valiant. No reason for me to take you guys home with me, I don't think.
I don't know. I think you still have to at least close it out once you get
All
there.
right. Well, I'll prove that I'm going to Panama City. We'll just put that many more miles on the video. So
Ain't gonna hurt, man. It's a good time.
that's right. All right. See you guys in Panama City. Dade County. Not too much longer. Okay. Panama City. Made it back home. Real quick mileage check. 22,632. And like I said, left at 21,077. So we've got nearly 1,600 miles on the car on that trip. The odometer, speedometer is messed up, as you saw during some of the videos, but it's still pretty accurate. So, what else? Trip was great. I have some things in my head for future videos, so we don't have to end right here, since I hadn't been doing videos in a long time. Getting some fresh ideas. As you can see, living in the RV right now. It's been about 3 years living in an RV. Sold my house in Tallahassee, moved over here to Panama City, and been having a great time. Kind of getting tired of the camper, about ready to find somewhere, shop, property, all that stuff. So that's in the mix in the back of my head. And yeah, get some more content to you guys as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed. This trip was awesome. You need to do it. See you next time.